to my daily market chart appraisal videos with me, Rich Market Analyst at Hantec Markets on Wednesday, 6th of September. Looking at cable, we've seen cable that sharply moved high yesterday. Real outlook changing candle that is, isn't it? We'd seen throughout the course of the past week or so these this succession of either neutral candles or little minor retracement candle that we saw on Monday, but yesterday big strong bull candle, adding what was at around about not a million miles off 100 ticks on the day, and it was bang on 100 ticks on the day, and it's sort of taken it through a lot of resistance actually. Early August resistance, that 30 well, first of all above the psychological $1.30 level, which had capped the gains last week, 29.95, but also above 30.30, which was a little bit of a reaction high that we saw earlier in August. And now the market is testing this 30.50 level, this old resistance that we saw from May, that has been a little bit of a pivot since then, and is now testing that level pretty much as we speak, just a handful of ticks below that. And if it breaks up above that, you'd sort of open up to 31.65 and also 32.65 being that big August high. So the market is beginning to gain traction. Look at these trading above all the moving averages, which are now sort of turning high. You've got the momentum indicators, RSI sort of towards 60, that's a 5-week high, similar on the stochastics. The MACD lines is the one I'm really interested in, whereby you've seen that crossover buy signal now accelerating higher on the MACD lines as well. That all looks pretty positive, doesn't it? And I think a move up above 30.50 would really confirm sort of the breakout away from all this sort of 30 to 30.50 resistance, and then reopen the highs. So this could be a move that starts to really gain traction. So you'd be looking at sort of buying into weakness, I think, on this cable chart now. You got that breakout above 30 figure, which interestingly returned to find support at that yesterday, and then bounced and went on again. You got the momentum indicators on the hourly that are sort of beginning to unwind a touch, and I think that's going to be sort of giving you a nice little buying opportunity between sort of maybe 40 to 50 on the hourly RSI if you get it. But yeah, looking positive, I think, on this chart. Key support sort of 29 area, but obviously 28.50, which was that reaction low that we saw right at the end of August. So you've got some higher lows being formed now. So another higher low, maybe sort of 29.50 to 30 figure. That would be ideal, wouldn't it, before pushing out above 30.50. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.